Facing the printer settings could not be saved error in Windows. Let's fix it with a few simple steps. Solution 1. Run Printer Troubleshooter. Search for Find and Fix Problems Printing in the Windows search bar. Click on Find and Fix Problems Printing in the search results to open the troubleshooter. Click Next to let Windows detect and attempt to fix any printing problems automatically. Click Close to finish the troubleshooting. Solution 2. Restart Print Spooler service. Search for services in the search bar and open the Services application. Scroll down and double-click on Print Spooler to open its properties. Make sure that the startup type is set to Automatic to ensure it starts automatically when needed. Click OK to save the changes. Now click on Restart to restart the Print Spooler service. Solution 3. Restart Server service. Search for services again and open it. Look for the server service in the list. Click on Server, then set its startup type to Automatic to allow the service to run when needed. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Right-click on the server service and select Restart to restart it. Solution 4. Enable file and printer sharing. Right-click on the windows. Start menu and select Settings. Click on Network and Internet in the Settings window. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Next, click on Advanced Sharing Settings. In this section, ensure that file and printer sharing is enabled. And also turn on Public Folder Sharing for easier access to shared files and printers. Solution 5. Update Windows. Search for Check for Updates in the search bar. Click on Check for Updates in the search results to open the Windows Update settings. Allow Windows to search for any available updates. If updates are found, follow the prompts to install them and make sure your system is up to date. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.